Hello, you came here for an interview. First thing, can you please tell us about yourself?
Hi, my name is Mohammad Kalim Zaidi. I'm from Pakistan. I did my bachelor's in mechanical engineering from Pakistan, and right now I'm doing a master's in engineering management from University of Wollongong, Australia. As far as my career's objective is concerned, I want to get a dynamic post in a multinational organization where I can use my mechanical skills as well as my managerial skills and problem solving skills. I've got 2 years experience working in a maintenance industry. I've already altered myself to both commercial and on-field atmosphere during my internship and my work experience. While working as a mechanical engineer, while working as a mechanical engineer, I have learned a lot about maintenance of equipment. But the life is ever changing, and the technology is always changing. So there is a need for continuous improvement and learning, and I'm very keen to learn. I'm a very good team worker as well. I've worked a lot during my university days as well as in my internship, and it all did very well. I've studied different softwares like AutoCAD and SolidWorks. My skills in AutoCAD are very good. I can develop different projects of cars as well as for the buildings, and I got HT in AutoCAD software subject. That is very good.
Okay, thank you. Can you please describe a time when you have used your technical competencies to solve a problem which resulted in positive or productive outcome?
2 years ago, before coming to Australia, when I was working as a management trainee officer in Etihad Chemicals, Pakistan, we came across a situation that there was a blast in the HCl furnace, and there were fumes all around, and the place was to be evacuated, and it was very dangerous. All the workers ran away, and the system was shut down. It was a great loss for the company, and we had only time for 2 weeks. At that time, I worked in a team, but I was not a team leader. I was only a junior member. I was given a task for designing the cooling tower for the HCl furnace, and we had only two weeks time to design and develop that. It was very difficult, but somehow I managed to do that. We fixed the HCl furnace, and it started working. Fortunately, there wasn't any casualty in that incident. There was some loss for the company, but overall, it was good that there was no casualty in that incident.
Okay, thank you. This position requires you to work in a small team with people from diverse background. Can you describe a time where you have worked in a team effectively?
Yes, it's not regarding my technical skills. In 2010, in my university days, a flood hit our country, and it was disastrous for us. People from different countries came to help the IDPs. I also volunteered to help the IDPs for the fundraising, and to give food and shelter to the IDPs. Um, there were many volunteers. I was a part of a team where Chinese and Australian people were working. At first, I had some communication problem with them, but with time, it went very well. We have got a target of to collect 20 million in 2 weeks' time. We not only achieved our target in 2 weeks' time, we we reached more than our target, and it was very good. I felt very good to help the people who were internally depressed, and the people who were internally depressed. Thank you.
So our company is known for managing multiple projects, resolving a diverse range of problems. Can you give us an example of when you have worked to make process or situation better or more efficient? What did you do and what was the outcome?
In my second year, I got an internship in Telenor, Pakistan. That is a very well known telecom communication. They had to upgrade their system to 3G and 4G. I was supposed to look after the team in the maintenance department. Though there were team people from different cultures, because there were Chinese people were working with us as well. At first, it was a bit of problem to communicate, but with a certain time, it went very well. The most difficult task at that time was that how to manage time. Um, uh, I selected one task at one time. I only focused on a single task, so I can manage several things at a time. As the time was short, so I upgraded my skills and learned how to manage several things at a certain time, and continuously motivated my team. The most difficult part was to allot specific time and specific tasks, and we had to complete that within given time range. So for this purpose, I also visited different companies, and I also even attended some international workshop. We were given a time frame of 4 months. We completed the task in 4 months, and the project was totally successful, and it is still working in Pakistan. At the end of that project, I was given a job opportunity by the Telenor company, but my education wasn't complete at that time, so I couldn't avail that opportunity. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Last question. Do you have any question for regarding our organization, regarding anything of our organization?
Yeah, I do have some question about your organization. First question is that do you have any plan for expanding your organization? And if you are expanding your organizations, what would be the locations where you are going to expand your organization? And one more thing, the position where I am applying. So, what would be my future in 5 years' time? Is there any chance for improvement in my position? Thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you.